goes on tonight. Throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here, playing my favorite song right now.
Hi guys, welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm super fabulous. Woo! I am super tired. Okay, today I checked into my new apartment. So it's been a month since I've been here in Capetown. So today I literally checked into my new apartment. The reason why I switched apartments, I feel like changing environment is good. I was staying in the city center where it was convenient, it was like close to everything, restaurants, bars, you name it all. It was just me trying to be close to everything. But this new location I'm in is also close to everything. It's in Seapoint, and yeah, there's a lot of restaurants around here, a lot of bars, there's the sea in front of me. And yeah, I'm very excited about that one because like it's a long street. People usually walk or they jog in the evening, so I feel like I'll go over there one of these days and do a few activities, jog or do cycling. So I think I love this area so much. And yeah, it's conveniently located to all amenities. There's restaurants, there's bars. If I feel like going out, I can step out and head into one of the bars around here. And the views are beautiful. The views are absolutely breathtaking. I love the space. It's a very small studio, but I love it. So let me quickly share it with you guys. Guys, over here we have the front door, and this is literally, I already packed my stuff, guys, because my bags, I have a lot of bags, and I didn't want to do this video while the bags are out here and stuff, so I already stationed all my things where they're supposed to be. This is the shower. This is a very small bathroom. Honestly, I'm just alone, so I feel like it's good enough for me. That's the toilet, and a beautiful mirror over here with the smallest sink ever. But anyway, yeah, this is the bathroom. And moving on, we get into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Very tiny kitchen, but it's equipped with everything that I need. One of the things that I really love about accommodation here in Africa is that they always have ovens. So I love oven baked food, so it's a plus for me. And yeah, we have a 2-burner hot plate stove, and these are the cupboards. So I already put my stuff in there, my food and everything. And we have a kettle here to boil water, and over here is a sink and a mini fridge. This fridge is small, but it's okay. But it's okay for me because I'm not trying to buy food for 5 people. So this is my food. I already put my food in here. This is enough for me. I'm just alone. Here's a toaster, a microwave, and it's fully equipped. It's got everything, even catering, chefing dishes. Wow. Plates over here, and on this side is wine glasses for the wine girl. Okay, and we have some nice stools over here. So this is where I'll be preparing my meal basically, and this is my dining spot. This is my dining table basically. So handy. And over here we have a beautiful mirror, and it's got this, I think they made this for extra compartment, but yeah, I'm using this space to put like my makeups and my body mist and stuff like that because there isn't a lot of space, to be honest. And over here is the bed. There's a double bed, and the closet. Oh, I don't know if I should show you my closet, how I packed stuff, but okay, let's see. I have a lot of stuff, so yeah, basically I put my stuff in here, and over this side my bags, shoes down there. So yeah, this is the space. It's very tiny. It's just enough for one person, to be honest. I don't know if I was with someone would be able to fit all our clothes inside this closet, but yeah, I think it's good enough for one person. And over here is the living space, which is very beautiful. I love this couch. It's very spacious. It's a big couch, and the carpet, so beautiful. The television, a very huge screen, and yeah, coffee tables, very beautiful. And over there is a little workstation. It's got a little stool under there. So excuse my shoes, I literally took off those shoes so that I can just, you know, work and pack everything in here, but I'll place them where they should be. Anyway, this is the little workstation, so that's why my laptop bag is there. So that's where I'm gonna place my laptop and books. And this is a very huge aircon. So beautiful, right guys? And yeah, moving forward to the best views ever. This is the view of Signal Hill, and whew, guys, I'm scared of balconies, okay? I don't want to go anywhere further than where I am. But anyway, these are the beautiful views. You can see Signal Hill over there, and up there is Camps Bay. That's where the rich people live. And one thing again, I've been in this area before. I went to a restaurant which is right in front of me, as you can see it over there. It's called the Nines. I was there. I have a video of the Nines. Go check it out, guys. I'll leave the link in the description below. I have a video of the Nines restaurant. I enjoyed my time there. And yeah, there's just a lot of restaurants. There's literally a shopping supermarket down there. It's called Pick and Pay. So I'll just be walking across the road to go to Pick and Pay and do my groceries. Otherwise, these are the beautiful views, my loves. So guys, yes, welcome to my new apartment. One thing about me, I love white paint so much inside, like the interior. So the walls on the other side, this side, is pink, but on this other side is white. Why I love white, it's a very sophisticated color. I feel like it's very classy as well. So, and it gives the room a beautiful lighting. So for me, I always go for white. So I love that there's a white interior. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy my stay. So welcome to my new apartment, guys. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to share my new apartment with you guys. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Share my videos with your family and friends. Let them know to subscribe as well. And do hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. So tune in to see what I'll be getting up to in Seapoint. From me today, it's all what? Love. Toodles toodles.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas